So what is her style anyway?
Hi, it's Leia. I am going to show you some of my creations today. I know it's been a while since I made a video. My apologies, just a lot going on. This is Jewelryuluv from IG, and I'm going to just show you some of my creations. These ones I absolutely love. These are pink moonstone, and they've got aquamarine on top. Sterling silver ear hooks. I never really showed you guys like what my style is, so I thought I would just kind of show you all what my style is. This one has a pretty necklace to go with it. It's on my website, www.jewelryuluv.com, and it's just the Y is not repeated. Pink moonstone, aquamarine, so pretty. I love it a lot. I love how that came together. I love me some gemstones, y'all. Like totally. The next one I'm going to show you is I've been working on these cute hearts. This one is onyx, and I love to wire wrap. So this one here, I think this one is wire wrapped in silver filled. This one right here, and it's got a sterling silver chain. So I just got me some nice sterling silver wire in. So my newest ones are actually done in sterling silver. It's the back on that one. This one is actually spoken for. One of my colleagues bought this one. This one's pretty beautiful. This one is white quartz. This one is done in sterling silver and has a sterling silver chain. It's the back. This one's done in rose quartz. I love these little baby hearts. They're so pretty. And some people don't like huge wire wrapped, gemstones. Some people like smaller things. I've obviously even done even smaller, like finer stuff too. Like when I have the Ethiopian opals, I can do them really fine. Cousin has one of those. So this is the rose quartz one, different design. And just to show kind of like still in the planning stages. I like to wrap as I go. I don't like draw out like plans and stuff like that. Like I would just kind of like just go with the flow, And so I've never done one like this. And I kind of like the way that turned out. This one's a green aventurine. So I've just left to make the veil. It's the other side. And this will be my next one. I think this is the last little heart I have. So that one's amethyst, and we'll see how that one turns out. So we just got the veil left on that one. This one's done in gold filled, and this is the beautiful carnelian. It's one of my absolute favorites. It's kind of different on both sides. Like I said, this was just kind of like a free wrap that I did. And this one has a high quality gold plated chain. And when I do custom orders, I just ask people, what they would like. I will do gold filled. That chain is a really good quality chain because it's plated over brass. But I tend to stick with the gold and silver filled to keep the cost down. If people want, 14 karat gold, sterling silver, I'll do that too. Whatever people prefer. Some people like copper, brass. Brass is really nice because it looks like 14 karat gold, but it's not, but it's really pretty. So that's a really, really good way to keep the cost down. Just feeling funky. Look at that. Isn't that beautiful? That's electroplated hematite. And then we've got dyed jade at the bottom, pink. Sterling silver. And then you know me, I love sets, right? So yeah. I used to be so frustrated. I might go to the store and like they'd have a necklace and not earrings. Or they have earrings and there's no necklace to go with. I'm like, are you serious? So here I am with my sets here now. No longer disappointed. So I always use the silver, the 925 silver ear hooks. I don't want any allergies. And also allergy coat jewelry as well for people who are sensitive. The allergy coating usually works out pretty well. I prefer this one, the Jewelry Shield. It works really, really well, and it doesn't discolor the jewelry, which is really nice. So shout out to Jewelry Shield. I have a girlfriend that I always cover all of her, coat all of her jewelry in that, just because she's got allergies, and it works out really well for her. She hasn't had any problems at all. These are hematite, sterling silver, and then I absolutely adore these. I'm definitely going to make a pair for myself. This is the pink moonstone, Amazonite, and then we've got the sandstone. You can just see the sparkle on that. It's so pretty. Super cool. Love these. I think I've like labeled these like the earth tone earrings, I think, on my website. Because yay folks, I have my own domain. There's another one. This one is really shiny obsidian. It's got some gold flecks in it. See if I can get it to... Oh, I can't see the gold flecks in there, but that's obsidian. It's got the electroplated hematite in the middle, and it's got some wire wrapping. Did a little something different with the ear wires on that one. So sometimes like I'll make my own ear wires if I want to, but it's so much easier. Like you can actually just like buy them, good quality ones already made, and it just makes things faster. This one is done in gold filled, and this is labradorite. See that flash in there? Absolutely gorgeous. And it's little. It's the back. And I believe this one's listed on my website as well. We've got another set that's kind of earth tone. You've got like the clouds and the ocean and the I guess you could say clay or dirt. I love these. Always genuine gemstones. I love genuine gemstones. They're so pretty. So I believe these up top are jasper, and then we got the amazonite, and then the agate. It's either agate or white onyx on the bottom. I can't quite remember right now. Let's try to stay on camera here. Oops. Got those. Let's see if we have any more earrings. Oh yeah, up here. I love these. They've got a lot of character to them. Got the aquamarine. And we got like some and chain and feathers. It's really pretty. It has a pretty dangle to it. Once again, we've got those nice big ear wires. You can always squeeze them together once you put them in. And I always have backs too. People prefer backs. I find with these types of ear wires, you have to kind of squeeze them once you put them in your ear, or they will disappear on you. Or of course, put some clear ear backs on them. I hope this background isn't too much. You guys, let me know if like this background was a little bit too much. I do have a white silicone mat, but I just kind of wanted to change it up some. And I believe that's it for the earrings, so I'm going to put these aside.